So we put it in the formula to get 1.9 on the top and 0.7496665926 on the bottom, which equals 2.53446001. We then put it on this table. We look for the degrees of freedom, which is 6 minus 1, which is 5, so we go down to 5. We then look at our value, which is 2.571. We've got 2.53446001. We've gone to 0.05, therefore there is significant difference in this one. Right, here is a decision tree. If we're looking for differences, we'd go this way, how many factors, 2 or more, we'd then be doing these. 1, same with different subjects, same, parametric, non-parametric, like I've spoken about briefly. These just explain what tests you should be doing for what. So correlation, we've got the Spearman and the Pearson, depending on whether it's parametric or non-parametric. And the categories, which we haven't had in this thing, is parametric, and then the chi-square test.